Hey, welcome to MLTV. Today I'll be showing you how you can download Python and Anaconda and set them all together up for you to work on your Python projects. So let me just go to the website. So this is the website. I'll be leaving it in the description to download Python. So as you can see here, there's this download Python 3.8.5. You can just go ahead and click that if you want that version. Or else if you want an older version, you can just go ahead here and then scroll down. And let's say if you want 3.6.10, you can just go here, click download, and come down and then download this, either of these two files. Now I'll be downloading 3.8.5 for the purposes of this video. So let me just go ahead and download that. I've already downloaded it. Just click that. You'll find this here. And once you've downloaded it, just go to your downloads folder. Let me just find one. So yep. So once you've done that, you can see it here. Just go ahead and click that. Now you got to make sure that you check this box because it's essential for you to add Python to your path. Otherwise, it'll throw an error when you're executing a command or a script. So go ahead and do that and then install it. I'm not going to do it right now because I've already done it. So once you've gone through that, I'm going to quit this installation. Just go to your command prompt and just type Python. And that's going to give you your version and everything about it, whether it's 64-bit, 32-bit. If this is happening, it's working fine. So once this is done, just go to this particular website, download Anaconda. Now, Anaconda is essentially for your data science projects. It has a lot of features which makes you extremely productive when you're solving your own data science project. So just go ahead to this link and then click download. It'll take you to the bottom of the page. You come here, based on your operating system, just select the file. It's a huge file. I've already downloaded it. So just go ahead and download that file. Again, go to your download section. You will be finding it in your downloads. I just like to organize my folders. So yeah, once you do that, it's going to open up the installer. It's going to just go through next, agree. Go on, just it'll ask you which particular folder you need, which particular directory you need to install in. You can just go ahead and do that. So I've already installed it there, so it's gonna throw it in, obviously. So once that's done, you are pretty much good to go. Just once that's installed, once you've gone through the entire process, just go to your search and type Anaconda. You're gonna find this navigator. So just click that. Yeah, it's gonna take a little while, but that's okay. So once you're here, you can see all these IDs, and yeah, so these are IDs which I think you'll have to install them, but I've already installed them. So I just have to launch. You just have to click the install like here. I haven't chosen to install RStudio, so that's why it's showing install. But once you're done, I essentially like using either Jupyter Notebook or VS Code. So that's up to you entirely which one you want to go with. So I'll just give you a demo. I'll just open VS Code here. Let me just go ahead and click a new file. So once you here, just save it. Let's say tutorial. Make sure you save it with the .py extension because it has to know that it's Python. Once you're done with that, I'll run extremely some basic code for you. Is equal to do phi print a star b. Once that's done, just go ahead and go to this button here. Just click it. Should be working, and yeah, you can see the answer 10. So it's working fine. That's about it, guys. That's how you can set up your Python and Anaconda together. Once you're done with this, you can work on your own projects. Thanks for watching till the end. I'll be coming up with other projects mostly relating to data science. So if you're into that stuff, you can definitely subscribe and tune into this channel. Thank you very much for watching, guys. See you next time.